everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Happiness. I make videos from Abuja, Nigeria, guys. So today's video, I'm so excited for this video. Guys, I'm already dancing. So I'm so excited for this video, you guys, because I was able to achieve this backdrop as you guys are seeing. So this is just my latest backdrop, guys. So I'm so much loving this backdrop, and the only thing that is expensive in all this my backdrop, I think it's just this and this. Other ones, like this is a used candle bottle and all this stuff. So other ones, they are not expensive, guys. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do anything you always do with my video. I know this is not the best, but at my level right now, this is what I can afford, and I did also some DIY with this particular bottle. So guys, let's jump right into this video. So before, my wall, this particular side used to be cream in color, and this other side used to be lemon in color. So I painted everything in white and with white paint, and these shelves, the 4 shelves that I have here that I use as my backdrop, they were brown in color. So I got some spray paint and spray painted them. I spray painted these shelves as you guys are seeing right now. So let's start with the decoration. I got so many things for this decoration. This letter, sorry guys, this is happy. This stands for Happyblaque, where this stands for makeover, guys. So I got them from Simbi Props, guys. My last vlog that I did, this was what really happened. I wanted to get this, they sent a wrong order for me. So I went through all those stuff you guys saw in my last vlog, guys. So the letter, I later got my right order, and these are part of my orders, guys. So I got this H&M, and this is a letter one, guys. That's a letter line, sorry. So if you power it from here, it operates with battery. I put battery inside, guys. If you power it, this is where you power it off and on. If you power it from here, you guys will be seeing the lights. It's because of this my ring light that you are not seeing the beauty that much. So we're seeing the light here. So for this one, I think I got them 2,000 each. Each of them is 2,000, so I got them. So let's go ahead and put this. This is, I'll put this one here while I power this also, and put this one down here. So that's for the letter lights. And this particular guys, this is funny because I got this just like an old candle bottle. I got this old spray paint and spray painted them. You guys know now, you have to save money. So I got this old spray paint and spray painted them. And the flowers inside, this is how I folded the flowers, guys. I didn't want to cut them. This particular one is a dolly flower, while this other one is the S series flower according to them. So I also got these flowers from Simbi Props, guys. So I folded this like this with a rubber band. I banded it with a band, and this is how it's going to be on my background, guys. So this particular one here, I'll put them here. So that's that for my flowers. And the second one, I've already folded the second one. It's the same thing with this one, but the only difference is the flower, the colors are different. And this is the second bottle. This is a used candle bottle that I spray painted into gold too. So this will go here. And that's that for the lights and the flowers. So these other flowers, guys, and you guys, if you guys watch my previous videos, you see that I had this flower for so long now. I can't even remember. I think I got them for 2000 or 115. These flowers are so good, guys, and they are all these artificial flowers because I don't know how I can maintain a live flower. That's why all these flowers are artificial flowers. So this other one too, I'll put one here, and the second one I'll put it here. So back to the baskets that I got these two back and other stuff, but there was no space here for me to put all those stuff, so I will look forward to where to put them. I got this gorgeous basket, the small basket. This I wanted white and gold, so this is how they came out. So I got this, I think they came makers, that's their Instagram, and I will leave all their Instagram handle for you guys to go and check them out. I got this from the Came Makers. Each basket is 400. I got other stuff for you guys. I got other stuff too, but for this particular backdrop and this my studio, so I'll be using just these two baskets, guys. So this will go here and this will go here. So for the last one, this will go here. Sorry guys, and this will go here. So this is just how it is there. So this is just how everything will be looking from now henceforth, guys. This is going to be my backdrop, and I'm so much loving it because everything just came out fine, and they were not costly because this particular bottle was an old candle bottle, as I've already told you guys. The only thing that is costly, I think it should be these two flowers and the letter light. So the letter light, this stands for Michael and this is for her. Exactly. The flower, I think if not, I think I bought them 2000. Yes, I bought them 2000 for each one. So this is just how my backdrop is going to be, guys. I'm so much loving how I achieved this because I was just like thinking of what and what can I add to this my backdrop for it to come out well. I know this is not the best, but for now and at my level, because once I grow, I will be upgrading the backdrop, and I'm not going to be staying here forever. So if I move out of this place and go to another place, I will try to upgrade the backdrop, my backdrop. But for now, this is what I'm making use of now, and I'm so much loving how everything came out well, guys. So much love how I achieved this on my own, because it's not easy to get some of these things, but I had to source out for cheap things to make it come alive like this. So this is just how my backdrop is going to be looking like from now henceforth. In any of my videos, this is how my backdrop is going to be looking like that. So guys, this is just the end of this video. Please support my ministry, and please support it very well by subscribing. You like, you share, do anything you do. Always with my video. I will leave the link, their Instagram handle anyway. If I'm editing this video, I will leave their Instagram handle on all this online stuff that I purchased, the baskets and the letter lights, guys. So I'll leave them somewhere around if I'm editing this video. So guys, this is just how my backdrop is out. This is just how I made it to come alive. So I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you. Bye.